Hello students, welcome to the Gate Academy YouTube channel. So in this particular session, we are doing the quick analysis regarding EC paper. So before I discuss the details about EC session, right? So all of you please respond, how do you feel about today's exam regarding EC branch? Yeah, Jashwant, I am fine, very good. How are you? How was the paper? So in this particular session, we are going to discuss what are from which topics the questions have come, right? So we'll discuss in this particular session. So all of you please share this particular session with all of your friends, right? So that they also will get benefited from this particular session. Yeah, paper was easy. Yeah, few students are saying paper is easy and few students are saying not good. Okay. Okay, we'll discuss one by one. Okay. Just 1 second. Yeah, here from engineering mathematics around 11% weightage is there, right? From general aptitude around 15%. 15% weightages came in the EC paper. And after that, if you observe from the communication, you got huge weightage, 14% is there, and analog electronics 13%, and then network theory 11%, and then signals and systems 8%, digital 7%, control system 4%, EDC 7%, EMT 8%, computer organization 2%. So from which subjects you felt the questions are easy, questions are difficult? All of you please respond. Yeah, Jashwant is saying above moderate. Yes, very good. Yeah, it will vary from student to student, right? The paper level. Yes. So here if you observe from engineering mathematics, from these topics the questions have come. First order differential equations, eigenvalues, complex integral, probability. If you observe from engineering mathematics, the level of the questions are medium. And the total weightage is from engineering mathematics around 11 marks. And from digital circuits, the questions came from number system, sequence circuit and multiplexer. The question level is easy. How many of you felt from the digital circuits questions, whether you felt easy or medium? All of you please respond. From digital questions. Yes, the digital questions are easy, right? Okay. From control system, the questions came from transfer function, state space and Nyquist plot. The level of the questions are easy. Yeah, very good. Yes, from these two subjects, the questions level is easy, right? Yeah. Just 1 second. Yeah, from the control system, the questions came from transfer function, state space and Nyquist plot. The weightage is 3 marks. From the signals and system, the questions came from Fourier series and convolution. These are the, in general, these are the very, very important topics, right? So the questions came from the most of the important topics only, right? Here the question level is medium. From network theory, the questions came from transient analysis, KCL and KVL. The level of the questions are medium. So all of you please respond from the network theory. How do you feel the level of the questions? All of you please respond. From network theory, how do you feel the level of the questions? Yeah, here from network theory, the weightage is 9 marks. Yes, easy. Yeah, easy to medium, you can say, right? Okay. From analog, the questions came from op amps, diodes, and MOSFET. The level of the questions are medium. The weightage of this particular subject is around 13 marks. Next one is from communication, amplitude modulation, phase modulation, and PCM. From these topics, questions came. The weightage is around 17 marks. Yeah, from communication subject, here in EC paper, there is a huge weightage from technical subject. So here in communication, so before I reveal, all of you please respond, how do you feel from the communication subject, questions level? Whether those are lengthy questions or time-taking questions to solve, how do you feel? Yes, definitely there are few questions, right? Few questions are there which are just for understanding the question, it will take time, right? When you are solving the question also, it will take time, right? Few questions are there. And then electromagnetic theory, from waveguides, impedance matching, and divergence theorem. Questions came from these topics. The weightage is around 8 marks. And then EDC, from MOSFET. From MOSFET, the question came in analog also and in EDC also, but whereas in EDC, the question asked based on body effect, related to body effect. And then reverse bias, and then optical excitation. The weightage is around 8 marks. Yeah, in this year, for EC branch, in the digital subject, they have introduced computer organization part also, right? So one question came from computer organization, which is having 2 marks. 2 marks. And from general aptitude, as usual, the weightage is 15 marks. The questions came from geometry and syllogism. So in this particular paper, EC paper, overall if you observe, the paper level is moderate. From few subjects, the questions are easy, but in few subjects, right, the questions used to take just for understanding the question or solving the question, it will take some time, right? So the level of the questions are, you can say, medium, overall paper if you say. So how many of you are happy after attempting the paper? Like during the preparation you put so much effort, right? So after, when you are attempting the paper, EC paper, how do you felt? Paper level is medium, right? Moderate. All of you please respond. Yeah, very good. So here in this particular session, we have given the quick analysis related to EC paper, from which subjects, okay, from which topics the questions came and what is the weightage, etc. Right. So after some time, around 9 o'clock, we will discuss in detail, right, in each and every subject related to in the EC paper, right. So in detail we'll discuss. from which topic, what are the level of the questions, etc. in detail we'll discuss. So all of you please stay tuned. Okay, we'll meet at around 9 o'clock. Okay, so in that particular session we'll discuss the detailed analysis of the EC paper. So all of you please share this link with all of your friends so that they also will get benefited. So whether is there any MSQ question in this particular paper? No, right? So in the previously after electrical paper over, Akash sir have given the quick analysis regarding instrumentation paper, right, before the EC paper starts. Okay, so during that session Akash sir has mentioned, okay, definitely there won't be any MSQ in the EC paper, or there may be chances like that. Even if it is there, either one question or two question only. Okay, so as Akash sir told, there is no MSQ question in EC paper as well, right? Okay. Yeah, thank you all. Thank you for watching this particular session. We'll meet around at 9 o'clock. In that particular session, we'll discuss in detail about this EC paper analysis completely, right?